Good morning, everybody. How are you? Oh, do you know, it's Wednesday morning already. Halfway through the weekday. It only seems like, 2 days since I was sitting here moaning about Monday. Doesn't time fly when you're having fun? Good morning.
Morning.
How are you?
Good, you?
I'm good. Yeah, did you sleep well?
No, I did actually.
Yes. So, did you get woke up with the rain like I did this morning?
No.
Oh, I did. You know the rain on the bathroom window, on the Velux window? It made me want to just stay there. Forever. Yes, you know that lovely warm feeling you get when you wake up and the rain's pattering on the window. Oh, lovely. And then reality sunk in and it's Wednesday. But yeah, it's halfway through the week there. Get to lunchtime. So gonna watch a bit of news now and see what's happening in the day. Speak to you shortly. Yeah, that's it. It's time to set off. The news this morning, a little bit about the Euros and a little bit about the Orlando shooting. It kind of puts everything into perspective. I'm sitting here moaning about having to go to work when things like that are happening in the world. So yeah, we're still thinking about you, and we will still be visiting in October. It's not going to deviate our plans. So what is it? Hashtag Orlando Strong. Yeah, thinking about you. So are we ready to go?
Yes.
Venture into that rain.
I know I need to get a raincoat.
Yeah, it is thunder and lightning. Well. So have you had your eyes closed since we left home? There's no point guessing where you are. You can see, is there? Far in the plan. Right, close your eyes. Guess where you are?
Work.
Good guess. You got car petrol.
I don't know who that guy is.
Oh, he's probably some guy coming to try and sell you something.
It's 7 in the morning.
Well, he probably drove up from Leeds.
He's obviously got a death wish. Everybody knows you don't come and annoy procurement until I've had their coffee.
Oh well. Wednesday.
Time to go to work.
For you, I've got to get at work now.
Okay. See you later.
Bye. Have fun. And as you might expect, every time it rains, people forget how to drive. So we end up in a queue. I don't know what this guy's doing. Oh. First time I've seen anybody go straight across there. Anyway, been in the queue for a while. Yeah, I don't think I'm going to be late, but it certainly ain't going to do the stress levels any good at the moment. But yeah, it is what it is. So I'm just going to sit here and enjoy the scenery and the rain. I'm still enjoying that pitter patter of rain on the roof. Really makes me want to go back to bed, but unfortunately I can't. So, speak to you shortly. And that's it, I've got to my work in one piece. A little bit late, but I'm here safely. So, let's get on the car park, park up and start the working day. Speak to you shortly. Hello everybody, on my way home now. Now today it's not stopped raining here, and I've just heard on the radio that we've had about 48 hours worth of rain today, so the SEPA, the environmental in Aberdeen around about Christmas time. A lot of houses flooded out, so it's like we're heading back towards that again. So not good. And it's forecast to keep this rain up until at least the weekend. Well, here's hoping that nobody loses the property or nobody's property is getting flooded again. Anyway, moving on. Off to pick Chelle up now. Don't know what we're doing tonight. We'll have to discuss it. So I shall speak to you later. And we've made it to Michelle's work again. And there she is coming out with her big raincoat on. Swing round and see what she has to say. And look who's getting in the car. Hello.
Hello.
How are you?
Good, you?
I'm good.
Oh.
I think I've got a wire in there. Try not to film my wire, my power cord. Home?
Home.
Got big attacking. PLN?
Haven't figured that one out yet.
So, home to figure out what to do for the night. Oh, there's been a lot of flood warnings.
Oh, wonderful.
There's roads closed in Dyson by foot trailers. And one road into Rooney, so. And they're writing that Riverside Drive is going to flood in time today when the high tide comes in, 11 o'clock tonight. And tomorrow morning.
Okay.
Oh, how come I take you to work, you're yawning? Bring you home from work, you're yawning? Do you not get enough sleep at work or what?
No, I don't get enough sleep at work.
You should try harder, you know.
I really should. Yeah, should go find somewhere to hide and take a nap.
Anyway, moving on. Let's get home. Hi guys. Hi Alistair. Just been chatting to Alistair.
Have you?
Yes. And I don't think he was looking after me properly yesterday or Monday.
Was I not?
No, because I was that chuffed that the spreadsheet worked. And when we just missed cars,
Yeah.
we could have downloaded it. My excuse is this, you see, I'm a DVD fiend and Netflix and Amazon, and I spend a lot of my life working with technology that when I come home I don't know, it's surprising how much I can't work it. So, what are you reading?
It's like Physic Garden.
Bye.
Can't remember.
Have you finished any books lately?
13.
Since your last review?
Yeah. I'm not doing a 13 book review.
You finished 13 books since your last review?
Yeah.
When you'd finished 10?
No. I finished 3 more since then.
Which were?
Can't remember.
It was 2. You're getting a little nervous.
I'll make you nervous in a minute if you're not careful.
Promise. I'm going before I get in trouble. Yeah. Thanks for the tips, Alistair. Yeah, Michelle wasn't looking after me. Was you? I can say that from over here. She's over there. Anyway, moving on. I'm gonna edit yesterday's vlog now and get it stuck up. So, do you admit that I could find that and you couldn't find it?
How often do I use our toolbox?
Oh God, you can't let me a win. You couldn't find it and I found it.
I didn't look upstairs.
Well, there you go. It's the last place you left it. As you always say to me.
It's always the last place you look.
I found something and Michelle couldn't. I'm going to take that as a win. Don't care how much I get punished later for taking the mic. Yeah. Just been editing the vlog there. Yesterday's vlog's just gone up. So time is it? 8 o'clock. Not really been up too much tonight. I couldn't figure it out. Was going to do the garden tonight, but obviously the rain has stopped. Put pains to that one. So 8 o'clock, I think. Maybe I'll watch a bit of telly and call it a night. So it's a good night from me.
It's a good night from him.
Good night. I find something, Michelle. I'll pay for this one later.